Are you a beginner looking forward to start a business? Here are 3 marketing mistakes that you need to avoid. Number 1, your friends are not your customer. You need to know this and you need to get this straight. Your friends are not your customers. Most of them will not patronize you, and if they do patronize you, most of them will not be a repeat customer. They might not repeat purchase, and as a result of this, you might have low sales. You need to look far beyond your friends to get a potential customer starting out, because this will already set your mindset, and this will already let you know how much you need to put into work in order to get to potential customers. As a beginner, you might be limiting your customer research around your friends, maybe your neighbors, or maybe your classmates, or maybe your family and stuff like that. You need to look far beyond all of them, because these people are not actually going to patronize you on a long term. You need to get your marketing campaign as wide as getting far people from far distances. This will help your business in the long term, and this will avoid you from thinking small. The number 2 is lack of networking. You need to meet people. Go to places where you can meet people. Walk up to them, introduce yourself, tell them what to do, and try to get their contacts. One of the hindrances I had when I was starting out was shyness. I was very shy. To even meet people, to talk to them, is a very big problem for me. I had this problem throughout my days in the Polytechnic, and it's limited me. It couldn't allow me to network, to even know more people, and by knowing more people, you'll be able to get referrals and recommendations from people. And the last thing is lack of proper advertising. I could say I almost did not use any proper advertising method while I was in school. Back then, in my ND days, I did not use proper advertising method. I did not use flyers, I did not use posters, I did not use online method. I practically did not use anything. The only thing I did back then was I announced to my classmates and I told them I am into home service barbering, and most of them I tried to message them on WhatsApp because we are all in the same class group, and that was the only marketing that I could remember I did that time. So it really limited me, and it couldn't allow me to even know more people, not to talk of have more customers. Some of the proper advertising that you can do is to create flyers or posters, post them on your WhatsApp status, post them on different WhatsApp groups. Another thing you can do is to create banners, put them in strategic locations, and by doing this, it will help you attract customers from different locations. Another thing you can do is to pay for adverts on WhatsApp TV with large audience and contacts. This will help you get reach and visibility. And the last but not the least is to create social media pages for your business and create content. Use content to market your business and engage with people online. By doing all this, it will help you to avoid the 3 mistakes that I made while I was starting out. This is Amani Ideas. If you find this video helpful, please do what to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Like this video, and whatever you feel, put it in the comment section. I'm going to attend to it, and I might create video about it. See you on my next video. Thank you for watching.